Hey traders, Nick here doing some homework on Wednesday night. Um, okay, so this video is going to be on one feature from TrendSpider. So if you know me, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I use TradingView and it looks totally different than this. So I'm forcing myself to learn a new tool to see if I can switch. Now this is my second video. I am still a baby at it, total baby. But I was intrigued by them. So I did a first video. It was a first impression, and the impression was it's a fair fight. They both have good stuff. I cannot, but the conclusion was also that I personally cannot switch because of my personal specific needs for what I need in a chart. And you can watch that video and you know why. It's not necessarily a deal breaker for um, a less heavy user of charting. But this feature stood out. It's called GoNoGo. So I was like, okay, so what the heck is that thing? And I'll describe it the way they describe it, and I'm going to tell you how to use it. I think you can use it better. To be honest, I didn't watch the video that came with it. I just read the blurb about it. And let me give you what it is. First of all, it takes away the colors of the candles, and then it recolors them. It's like paint, if you've ever used paint. And the spectrum is as such. These dark colors are definitely no go, like a strong no go. These are a no go, like a plain Jane no go, and the whatever color rust color thing is neutral, and then the light green, seafoam green, cyan, whatever that is, that light green is, it's a weak go, and the blue should be a go, like a strong go. All right, so clearly it's not right, right? Because you see blues and then failures, blues and failures, blues and failures. Like, what the hell is going on? Wait, I've got a better way to use this thing, and I think it's awesome. And I'll tell you why. This is going to help somebody that cannot really tell who's in control. Everybody gets stuck buying calls at the wrong time because they don't have somebody like we're in a live room every day with 300 people. We're killing it because we have 300 people looking out, and I'm organizing this thing, and we rarely get stuck wrong at the wrong time. Today was perfect example. The last minute, not the last minute, the late day rally, we had iron condors, and the rally started running into the iron condors, and we discussed it, and I said, no, manage it like an iron condor, face the beast. This is going to fade. They're going to close somewhere closer to 375, and they did on the SPY. So this stuff will help you do the same calls at home if you're alone. Here's the thing. Ignore the go, no go, what it says, the color. And here's the easy way to use it. So if you don't know how to use, what's crucial to stop you from making mistakes is who's in control. If you know that the bears are in control, you wouldn't buy rallies unless you're really early in the rally. Because if you buy rallies here and you know the bears are in control, you know they're going to sell the rally. Look at it. Rally sold, rally sold, rally sold, rally sold, rally sold. And this is after hours. But you get it? This is Tesla 1 minute chart. So this is fast chart, but it applies. I'll zoom out in a second. So if you know who's in control of the action, then you would make fewer mistakes. So how do you use it? If the color sequence is dominant, until it changes completely and then flips to a different color, I wouldn't take it. So this is basically telling me that whatever is going on is going to continue to go on. So if you don't know how to use moving averages and how price action is hitting the moving average, this is the second best thing. However, it is not a trade alert system. Please look, if you traded this as a go, this and this, you lost money. Because I bet you they have a disclaimer in there somewhere. The team is awesome. I don't think they will just say go, because you have to put it in conjunction with something else. So running into a prior fail is never a good idea to buy anything. That is a go, no go, or whatever I see. I don't care what it tells me. It could be the Pope here telling me to go. It's not going to happen. This is a prior fail. Show me you can take it out. I'll chase you. Otherwise, you're going to fade. Okay, so that's one thing. So here, you had purple, 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 and then wait, we're thinking about it. We're fighting over control. Nope, purple, 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 purple. Wait, we're going to fight about it again. No, again, purple. Fight about it. No. So as long as the purple is dominant and the transition periods are not flipping colors thereafter. So it didn't go neutral, green, and then blue, green. Then you know that the trend has changed. So let's go to daily and see if we can apply this. So this one is easy. There's no transition with the colors, right? But that ramp is not normal, so we can't comment on that. Okay, this one maybe. So the dominant here, the trend started, but not really, then went neutral. So these neutral colors, they're fighting over control. Think about it. Who's in control of the action? Fighting over control. Purple. Transition colors. Then back to neutral. So they never took footing. And then back to purple. So they're still selling rallies. Rally, rally. So predominant purple, the transitions didn't stick. So if this one came and took a higher high, then you would have believed it, that they're building a trend up. This is too, okay, so this is, the colors are blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. They thought about it, they fought about it. The purple never took a hold. They had a few purples there. Then back to blue, green, blue, green. Transition color, neutral, and then they went sideways. You can consider this a dip, but I consider this consolidation zone. This is Tesla, of course, so it's pretty wacky. And then back to blue-green. So they never stopped buying dips. The dip was just bigger. Look, rally, dip, dip, dip. So they are buying dips. That's the method. And then they changed that. Now they have purple trend downward. So now they're selling rallies. You want to know who's in control, so you don't chase here. Whoever bought here is not in our room. You can't help everything, but this will definitely give you a leg up. And I'm still stuck with Tesla. Let's switch to something else. I don't know. TLT? Talk about a crazy ticker. Oh my God. Okay, so here we go. Purple, purple, purple. Try to change colors. Never stuck. They didn't make a higher high. Boop, purple. Here, fake out. Purple, purple. And then, okay, they fought over it. Look, they're trying to make a higher high. They're back down to purple, but it's not a lost cause yet. I can't see. Is this now? No, it's not. See, now it could be a trend. It could be. If I draw a channel here, you can see one. So the key is, okay, now we have buying dips. You see that? So but now I have this guy. Whoa, that is a ledge and a half. So this is another tool that allows you to pick who's in control. That's the key with this thing. It's called GoNoGo feature. The team is pretty darn good. So if you like them, give them a shot. If you're looking for a charting piece of software and you want to try out two for a couple months to figure out which one you like, it's worth it. It's worth it. 50 bucks here, 50 bucks there for a lifetime of use. You'd be the judge. I use TradingView. I do use this one now more often than I did before because it has some things that the other one doesn't. Like also, I won't do it this time, the seasonality. You can pick different things on seasonality. What? Like if you see an RSI that's low, somebody tells you, oh, the RSI is below 30. Well, how frequent is it for this ticker? And they can tell you. That is rare. I don't know where they have that before. I mean, I don't remember seeing that in TradingView. So the seasonality is no longer, oh, if you buy it here, X% of the time you'll be green. This is how if you see a certain situation like this, you can look it up. How often does that happen? How often is the relative strength index below? How about the money flow index, MFI? Money force index? Money flow index, I think. Anyway, so these are important things. Secondary important things. Tools of the trade. Anyway, if you need to try them out, you want a discount, I have a code. It's NC25. My initials and number 25. I'll put a link somewhere in the top right hand of the video. Up here, I'm pointing at it. Picture somebody pointing at it. Hopefully I picked the right corner.